Building a maze and then trying to navigate through it is excellent for building creativity and problem-solving skills. And in this activity, Crepe Paper Ninja Maze, I'm gonna build a life-size maze out of crepe paper and then pretend I'm a ninja and try to navigate through it. So all that you need in order to create your own super duper crepe paper ninja maze, well, is crepe paper, tape. You could set up some chairs like I did, or you could do it in a small hallway, all right? Hey, I gotta get changed to my ninja clothes. Check it out. Hey, navigating that crepe paper ninja maze was a whole lot of fun. But you know what else is a lot of fun? Taking it down. Hey, have a blast, friends.